Okay, so a final example on candles. The previous two examples are basically just making a candle, but you can't just make a candle, you have to package it. You might sell 20 in a box, something like that. So even though we've made the candles, the candles that we've made can be used as subcomponents in another definition, with that definition being the packaged goods. So let's just add some packaging, for example, and use the second example of the customizable configurable candle where it asks you for the diameter and the length. I'll add some cardboard boxes. So cardboard box. Um, each box is one box. So submit that. And you can see here, let's just say we have 10 of these in stock. We need to add another definition, but before we do that, we're going to package these candles using the packaging assembly process. So let me add a new process. We'll call this one packaging default hourly rate. I'll go back and add a definition. So package candles, and we use the packaging process. Is it for sale? Yes, it is. Submit. I'm not going to add any variables here. I'm going to add subcomponent customizable candle. I'm going to say here's where the name comes in useful. So instead of calling it a customizable candle, I'm going to call it a large rose pillar candle. We're going to have 20 of these in each package. The length is 10 centimeters, diameter is 5 centimeters, and the fragrance is going to be rose. And in addition to having the candle, it's also going to have the cardboard box to put them in. So cardboard box, quantity, one cardboard box, and we'll add a process time. So it's going to take 10 minutes to package these 20 candles. So here we have packaged candles. It's a large rose, we call it a large rose pillar candle. We've just used the definition that we created earlier, and I'm going to add a production order for one of these packaged candles, and it's due a week. And there you go. So again, it tells you that we need 20 candles. In the candle making process, because we have everything in stock, it's telling the operator to make these candles, and once the operator clicks the green button, then it will tell the packaging process to pack these candles. So you can see that even though the second example with the customizable configurable candles took some thought, we can now use that for just about any candle we make in the workshop. And all the time, Factory Superstar is telling your team what to do, when to do it, and it's keeping track of your inventory so that you're much less likely to be under or overstocked in a particular component, and you always keep track of how much things cost. So you can see here that these packaged candles, for a total box of candles, the system has worked out that it's cost €21 to make, of which 19.50 is materials and 167 in labour. I hope you found these examples useful. Even though the examples for making candles, you can adapt the general principles to make just about anything.